Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Basic Tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to animate eye movement, mainly the blinking of an eye. So let's just preview this to see how it looks. The eye open and the eye moving, and then we have the eye closing. So let's try to animate it. I'm going to go back and make this a black background, and the shape I'm going to use for the eyes is an oval shape. Just going to duplicate that, and I'm going to change it white this time. Can make them a little bit bigger. Right. And I'm going to put another circle inside the eyes for the eyeball. And again, duplicate that. There we go. So this is a very simple animation. The main animation that we're going to use here is the split animation. So it comes from the two sides. We don't want that, so we're going to effect options and change it to horizontal out. So look at that again. There we have a good eye opening, and we do the same for this one. And of course we put them with previous together so they play together. So that's the eye opening. So if we want to do a blink, we basically repeat the animation again. So add animation, repeat the same animation again. If we wanted a blink, split. And of course, sending this with previous but changing the duration. See, there we have the blink again. If we want the eye to move, what I basically used was the line animation, and we just changed the direction. Now you see how far it goes, so we just shrink how far. Obviously we want to stay within the frame, so and we can do the same for this animation. So it looks like if the person is looking to that direction. And of course, if you wanted to go back to the center, you just add the animation, go back to the line, and of course this time I'm going right, but I'm starting animation from where the first one ended. So this animation, I would be dragging this line from here and then bringing it back to the center, and change the delay. So let's just see how it looks. Start off with the eye open, the blink, and we do the same thing for this one. So you see, it's where this animation goes from here. There's two arrows. There's one arrow pointing so, and there's another arrow pointing so. So you just select this arrow that's point into that direction, and you put it to where the other animation stops. So the other animation stops right here, and we bring this to line up to the center. There we go. And to close it off, I'll just add the split animation to close out. So horizontal, and I'll add the same thing for this one. But first, and I'll add another split animation. So let's go. There we go. So the animation, it's pretty easy, so I hope that you were able to follow along. Thank you so much for watching this video. Feel free to leave a comment under the video. Tell me what animation you think I should try in PowerPoint. Tell me what you would like to see. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching.